What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read on the title of this video, I just wanted to go over and pretty much update you guys pretty much on the video that I made yesterday calling out the 3 ETFs that I did. And for those of you guys that didn't watch yesterday's video, I called out JDST, DSLV, and DGAS. DGAS was pretty much stagnant today. It actually went down like 60 cents in price, but the other two, which are JDST and DSLV, actually played according to my plan in the video that I released yesterday. So we're going to look at these very quickly. I'm going to try to make this a shorter video, pretty much just an update video to pretty much show you guys what I ended up doing with these two ETFs that I'm actively trading, and DGAS, which is actually down 70 cents, but I'll get into that later on in this video. So we're looking at DSLV here. I was able to call it out in yesterday's video. If you guys were able to watch that, we were looking at it very closely at this support level at about $23.50. And for those of you guys that don't know, this is a silver-based ETF. It's the Bear ETF, and it trades based upon /SI. And where I was looking at this one in particular in yesterday's video was pretty much because it bounced down at the resistance point of 1684, the silver-based, the silver future itself. We were looking at it very closely because it did get rejected by this resistance level, I think on Friday or Thursday it was, and it started actively trending down from there. And where I recorded it in yesterday's video, I believe it was at about 1668 or something like that, and it actually ended up going all the way down to where it's at right now at 1654, which means that it's actively downtrending now. It did bounce from this resistance level, and I was able to get into DSLV pretty much because I did see this pattern early on today. Today's Monday. Once the market opened, I was able to see this pattern, and because the futures markets are open before the stock market actually opens itself. So I got into DSLV, and I'm still holding it. I'm up about 2.5% on this, and we do see, if we look over to the 1-day, 1-minute chart, we do see it opened up at 23.85 today, and it shot up all the way to 24.58, and it pretty much covered 3% profit today, right? And this one is good as a swing trade in my personal opinion, and that's how I plan on trading DSLV. And if we look at /GC, which is another one that I was able to call out on my video on Sunday, and pretty much I was looking at JDST because JDST is the Bear ETF. And if you guys recall from my video yesterday, /GC was able to get rejected by the 1325 resistance level, and that's an old support level, and we talked about how old support levels become new resistance levels. We see that here, this support level, the old support level at 1325, it was able to bounce here at 1325, here at 1325, here again at 1325, and once it broke below here, 1325 started acting as a new resistance level because /GC broke that support, so it became a new resistance level. And why we were looking at /GC and JDST in particular, because it got rejected here by that resistance level of 1325, and it started downtrending from there. And in my video yesterday, I think /GC was at about 13.19, and it was able to drop another $6 to about 13.13, where it is today. And how this translated over to JDST, pretty much we see that JDST did bounce at the support level at $44 a couple of days ago, and it's actively trending up from that particular support level. If we go over here to the 20-day 1-hour chart, we see, okay, the support level here at 44, here at 44 again, and it bounced off here, and from $44 up to where it's at right now, it's been able to cover about 6.5 to 7% profit. And if we go over to the 1-day, 1-minute chart, we see that today it opened up at about $45, and it's all the way up to $47 now. I think that was its high, right? $47.63, and it's pretty much been consolidating at that $47.50 price point pretty much for the rest of the day after it hit that high right there. So we're up about 2.5% on JDST and about 2.5% on DSLV. And if we look at DGAS, which was the other ETF that I was able to call out, pretty much this one went down 70 cents. It went down 2.7%. And I actually see this more as another buying opportunity. If you guys watched my video yesterday, I said that I was in DGAS with about $2,000. And I actually took another $1,000 position in DGAS at about $25.15. So now I'm in it with about $3,000. And for those of you guys that don't know, DGAS is the Bear ETF, and it trades based upon /natural gas. And where we were were looking at slash natural gas in particular was it was actually reaching the resistance level of about $2.84. And if we look a little bit closer here, last time it got to 284, it reversed and it went all the way back down to about 270. So that's what I'm looking at in particular with degas and natural gas right now, because if natural gas does reverse, right, it's not 100% certain that natural gas is going to reverse. It could continue to run up to 290. Who knows, right, guys? But if it does reverse here, degas has great potential to run from about $25.50 to $26 to all the way up to about $28, $29, maybe even $30. So that's what I'm doing, guys, for this week. It's only Monday today, and these are the swing trades that I'm trying to map out for this entire week, and it's looking pretty good for this week, guys. So pretty much this is what I'm doing as of now. If things do change tomorrow, I will make sure to keep you guys updated, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down below in my description. I post all my profits there, anything dealing with my channel, anything dealing with my personal life, entrepreneurship, pretty much me in general. If you want to learn more about me, follow me on my Instagram below, and if you don't want to, that's cool too. Make sure to do your own research when it comes to all these stocks and ETFs that I'm going over on my channel, because it's very key that you guys can do this on your own so you can become self-sufficient traders in the stock market. So I hope you guys are following your dreams, doing what you want to do in life, working hard. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace.